Hey guys, today we're making the easiest chocolate cake ever. 5 minutes, no oven, no gelatin. Just pure chocolate bliss. Just look at this beauty. Rich, creamy, and topped with a layer of silky dark chocolate. It's the kind of cake that makes everyone say, wow. Grab a medium saucepan and add 250 grams of sugar. Then 120 grams of cocoa powder. Use a good one. It's the soul of our dark chocolate flavor. Finally, pour in 500 milliliters of milk. This is what brings it all together into a smooth, rich base. Stir everything together gently. This will be the rich, chocolatey base of our cake. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat. Keep stirring gently. We want it to thicken perfectly. Once the mixture starts to bubble, carefully add 250 grams of butter. Stir slowly and continuously so it melts evenly. Take your time. This makes the cake rich and creamy. Keep stirring until the butter is fully incorporated and the mixture is smooth. Hit that like button if chocolate makes you happy. And don't forget, subscribe for more quick, irresistible treats. Once the mixture is silky and smooth, take it off the heat. Set it aside carefully. It's ready for the next step. Take a mold and arrange the biscuits at the bottom. This will be the base of our chocolate cake. Next, crush the cookies into small pieces. Place them in a separate bowl, ready for mixing. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. By the way, do you enjoy this kind of video or do you miss the old style? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Next, take the crushed cookies and mix them with the melted chocolate. Stir gently until every piece is coated. This will be the base for our melted chocolate cake. Tip: for a richer taste, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract to the melted chocolate. Carefully pour the chocolate cookie mixture over the biscuits in the mold. Spread it evenly so every corner is covered. Press it down lightly to make sure it sticks and forms a solid base. Now, take the remaining biscuits and start placing them carefully on top of the chocolate cookie base. If needed, trim the edges slightly to make a perfect fit. Make sure the layer is flat. This will help the final cake stay stable. Take a moment, press down gently so everything is nicely compacted. Let's dive into preparing the chocolate glaze. In a small saucepan, pour in 300 milliliters of whipping cream. Add 200 grams of dark chocolate. Heat gently on low, stirring occasionally, until smooth and glossy. Once the glaze becomes thick and sticky, take the saucepan off the stove. Carefully, pour it over the top of the chocolate cake. Use a spatula and spread it evenly. Make sure every corner is coated. This will give our melted chocolate cake that perfect glossy finish. Now, place the cake in the fridge. Let it chill for about 2 to 3 hours. This helps the layers set and the glaze firm up. Look at this. What a delicious chocolate dessert. The glossy glaze makes this melted chocolate cake look irresistible. Honestly, it's an easy recipe dessert, but it tastes like it came from a bakery. Hey friends, thanks for watching. Loved this easy recipe dessert? Give the like button a little tap. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy desserts. See you next time for another sweet recipe.